Welcome to AB Cardano. AB Cardano is your guide to professional trading by providing free educational trading materials and strategies. Now, let's watch the video. And finally, question number 56. What is the perfect Ideal Elliott wave example of a cycle? The answer is Wave 2, 61.80% of Wave 1. Wave 4, 38.20% of Wave 3. Wave 5, 161.80% of Wave 1. Wave 5, 61.80% of Wave 0 to 3. Wave 2, 61.80% of Wave 4. And in Wave 2, A equal B equal C. And in Wave 4, A equal C. And in Wave 4, B equal 23.6% of Wave A.
Code number 50. Martin Squartz said, I have learned through the years that after a good run of profits in the markets, it's very important to take a few days off as a reward. The natural tendency is to keep pushing until the streak ends. But experience has taught me that a rest in the middle of the streak can often extend it. This code is similar to the above. This inspirational trading code is a reminder that you need to take a break from the markets every so often to avoid overtrading and losing what you have. Reward yourself.
Thanks for watching, liking and sharing this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get notifications.